Hey guys, here is a 52-inch white Casablanca Four Seasons III ceiling fan. This fan is from January 10th, 2002, so it does fit in the Hunter Blanca range due to its Hunter characteristics. I picked this up off of Marketplace for free. It even came with a Hunter 3-speed wall control. Obviously I'm not demonstrating that with the fan right now. Which is a reason why the light is stuck on, because there is no separate light pole chain. But yeah, you may have seen way back in one of my videos, I do have a motor for a Casablanca Four Seasons III Outsider, which is pretty much the same thing as this, but with a reverse pole chain. Yeah, so that's that. But I'll demonstrate this. Here's low. Maybe one day I'll put these blades on the Four Seasons III Outsider and make a video of that. But that's in the future. This fan did come with everything too. I'm not sure if I already mentioned that. It does have the hang true. Does have a bit of a hum on the low speed, but I mean, it's not a bad fan for a builder grade model, but it's still not on par with the top Panamas and Deltas and stuff like that. It's medium. And these are somewhat childhood fans for me, because there used to be a shop and it used to have 3 Four Seasons III Outsiders. I know it's not exactly this one, but similar. They had 3 of them with long down rods in the store, but those were taken out. I'm not really sure what they're replaced with though. With something newer though. It's about medium, here's high. And it does throw out a nice breeze, so it's not terrible. I'm going to shut the switch off and show you without light. There we go. It even has one of those Hunter breakaway connectors on it. I find that kind of funny, but I think the tag is up there. And it's on this side. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.